What's up, guys? Welcome back. Alex over here in the trail. Today is Wednesday, August 11. It's 8 p.m. 8:07, and I'm riding, as you can see, my T8, no electric power here. And I gotta say, I'm having a blast. I guess that a few times that I have ridden my MTB, my emtb, is making me push my limits. Because I'm already almost 8 miles in, 45 minutes, almost 45 minutes. And I gotta say, I'm kind of shredding right now. I guess I don't want to let my guard down, and this thing is keeping me pushing myself. I'm having a blast, having an awesome time. It's not too hot. It is like 90 something degrees, like 91, 92, humid as fuck, but hey, that's not gonna stop me. My T8 is looking sharp. I watched it the other day after the muddy thing that happened, and it's looking awesome. Like I said, remember, I haven't done any modifications to this one except for the saddle, 170 crank arms and pedals. Everything else is completely stock. I don't plan to mod this thing probably ever, unless it needs like replacement parts, but for the most part this thing is doing great. I just wanted to keep you guys posted. Again, if you like this video, make sure you give the thumbs up button, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and if you want to support the channel, there's a link down in the description if you want to buy me a cup of coffee. Other than that, that was a quick video showing you guys that I'm still riding my bike, and not always I've only ridden my emtb like 3 times, so this one is my go-to one. But other than that, that is gonna be it for today, guys. Keep shredding, let's ride, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.